All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of No Sleep FX. I am your host, Tony, and today we're going to talk about gold. And um, I know I've been gone for a while. I've been gone for about a month, 2 months, and that's all because of the prop firm drama going on. You know how prop firms were getting shut down left and right. Um, yeah, so I was one of those people trading on a prop firm account. And full transparency, I'm trading again on a prop firm account. Doing a challenge right now, so the goal is to pass the challenge and be a funded trader, right? And again, just going to show you guys how I trade, my strategy, where I find my levels, pivot points, things like that, right? Okay, so let's just jump into it, all right? All right, so right now we're on gold 15-minute, and I'm going to show you where these levels came from. I use this multi-time period indicator that allows me to see higher time frames on a lower time frame chart. So right now I'm looking at the 15-minute, right? But as you can see, these big green boxes, those are daily time frame candles, right? Minus the wicks. You don't see the wicks. Anyways, um, so yeah, that's where the levels came from. You got my previous daily level over here, previous low, previous daily high, and then we got the daily high and daily low and daily high, right? Okay, so those are the levels I used to find the trade that I took this morning during London session. Okay, so that's what I do to get my levels, and then I find my entries on the 15-minute. And you can see in here these highs and lows, the green lines, the red lines, that's a pivot point. So zoom in some. Here we go. Can you see that better? I can. All right, so here's the entry, right? So let's back this up a little bit. Okay, so right in here, right, this gray area, that's Asian session. As we can see, price was staying above the yellow EMAs and the red EMAs. Yellow is 8, red is 21. Okay, so you can see price is still in a small uptrend going up. EMAs are in an uptrend, right? And then in here you can see the pivot point areas, right? So this one was a area of interest for me. Then we had the smaller one or lower one, but still made a higher high over here, right? You see the lower high made a higher high. Okay, so that became an area of interest. And all I was waiting for was the EMAs to cross over again in here. And then we get the type 3 pattern signal, right? And that's where that green arrow is right here. That green arrow is the signal saying there's a type 3 pattern going on, so be on the lookout for a trade. And as you can see, price just shot up, right? And it broke the pivot point area, so I was in the trade, and literally this trade only took about 30 seconds and made my 1% for the day, and I was done, right? But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And I'll just show you guys how I find the levels again. That way I can go ahead and mark my charts up for the next day. But yeah, literally a 30-second trade, man. This candle just shot up. But here we go. I'm gonna put it up for you guys. I'm gonna put the multi-time frame back on, and literally all I do is just move these over, right? So this now becomes the daily high, and this one now becomes the daily low, and then this one will be the previous daily high and the previous daily low. And that's literally how I find my levels. That's all I do. Previous daily highs and lows and daily high and low. Drag them over. That's it. And then again, I'll go down to the 5-minute tomorrow and trade off of these levels and also the pivot point areas to find my like sniper entry, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's pretty much what I do. So quick little analysis will be sells below here and buys for sure above here. And that's what I'm looking at it for, just real quick, right? Quick snapshot, quick glance. That's what I see. But there's news coming out tomorrow, right? So that's something to be aware of. We got CPI, core CPI coming out tomorrow, and that's gonna have an impact on gold's direction. But that's it, guys. Just letting you know, I'm back, I'm here, and I'll be coming out with more videos. And here, I guess let me show you. Oh, my trading journal. I was gonna show you. So far this month, the month of April, right? I have had 3 trades on gold, all on the 5 minutes, and I have secured, I think that's about what, 88 pips. I've secured 88 pips on gold, all wins, so no losses yet. So let's see what happens. All right, I'll keep you guys up to date on my challenge as well. Right now I'm only up 2% on the challenge, and I got to get to 10. So again, guys, please leave a comment, like, subscribe. You know the deal. I appreciate all the support. Catch you next time.